Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, law offices of Cross and Associates, and ask questions in the comments section below. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was working without a contractor's license. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys, criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Let's see here. I am a gardener, and one day I was doing work in a house. A few police arrived and arrested me for not having a contractor's license. Besides, I have an open DUI case. Okay, yeah. Okay, generally speaking, gardeners don't get charged with a violation of Penal Code Section, of Business and Profession Code Section 7028, which is working without a contractor's license. Here's the deal. It is really important that if you are doing work for somebody else as a contractor, a painter, a gardener, all that stuff, that you don't have a contract that is valued at more than $500. For instance, you should have a contract maybe $200, $300. It's better to have more consistent contracts, but never do any deal where you're going to charge somebody $500 or more. If you charge somebody $500 or more, you need to have a contractor's license. Also, if you're doing advertising, if you're doing any kind of advertising for services, generally speaking, you can also be charged with this type of offense because you're not supposed to hold yourself out as a contractor. Even though you're not writing necessarily a fake license, still you don't want to hold yourself out as a contractor. You want to avoid the BMP 7028 because it is a misdemeanor that carries up to 1 year in county jail here in the state of California. But remember, the safest thing to do is when you're going to do a job for somebody, if you don't have a contractor's license, keep it under $500. Instead of saying, I'm going to charge you $2,000 to do this job, say, I'm going to charge $500 to do this. And then come back later on and say, okay, now I'm going to charge you $500 to do this part. Okay, then I'm going to charge you $500 to do that part. That's that's a lot better than don't say $2,000 for the whole thing, because technically then you're committing a crime. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, law offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677 here in the San Francisco Bay Area. On our next video, we're going to be discussing a case of somebody who got accused of resisting arrest. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys, criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers.